Students who have disabilities have a more difficult time accessing course content in school than do students without disabilities. There are many tools available to assist students, and these tools are collectively called assistive technologies. Student disabilities are wide in range and type. There are physical disabilities that limit movement and or make autonomous mobility impossible. There are students with hearing impairments that make it challenging for students to process the audio cues all around them. And visual impairments that make things like reading and viewing graphics and visuals impossible without assistance. It's no secret that technology is evolving quickly, and in the world of ATs, that isn't a great thing. Due to the constant evolution of technology, there is a vast variety of assistive technologies available for student use today. Educational options for students with disabilities are far more than they ever used to be. These technologies range from the low-tech, such as pencil grips, highlighters, and raised line paper, to high-tech. High-tech things would include iPads, iPad minis, iPhones, Chromebooks, screen readers, and software like Co-Writer word prediction software or Read and Write for Google. There are even more amazing high-tech tools being used and perfected, such as Toby, which allows students to navigate their computers with their eyes. This tool, which is expensive at $15,000 to $18,000, translates eye movements and gaze into commands for the computer. School districts start with a referral and a trial process where different hardware and software are given to students on a trial basis. Once it is determined which tools will best assist the student, the school district purchases the tools for students to use. Teachers are trained by the school district on how to support the use of ATs in the classroom when it is feasible. Sometimes the vendor of the product will send a representative to train the teachers. Many times today's students learn the technology very quickly and can also assist in training teachers and parents. There are challenges in the use of assistive technologies. Sometimes it is difficult to find assistive technologies that work well for individual students. Students with multiple disabilities can struggle to find the right fit with ATs, and frustrations can arise. A new challenge on the horizon is how the Smarter Balance computer-based tests are going to be administered to students with disabilities, especially students with visual impairments. There are things to consider before particular ATs are recommended for a student. For example, what is the district already using? Chromebooks? iPads? In an effort to not have students with disabilities stand out from the rest of students, every effort will be made to utilize products and tools that are already being used by students at school. Internet infrastructure is also a consideration, along with technical requirements for the use of specific hardware or software. A lot of caring and effort goes into assisting students with disabilities, as it should be. The goal is to be balanced and to make courses accessible to everyone. The ultimate key is access. Today's technology plays a big part in that.